Hi, I just heard from B that you're in the hospital. I came right away. What happened?
Thanks for coming. It's a bit embarrassing, but I got food poisoning from some old leftovers.
Food poisoning. That sounds terrible. What did you eat that caused it?
It was some chicken pasta that had been in my fridge for almost 5 days. I was in a hurry and didn't check it properly.
5 days is really too long for leftovers. You should be more careful with food safety, especially with meat.
I know, it was a stupid mistake. I usually check food dates, but I've been so busy lately.
Everyone makes mistakes. The important thing is you're getting treatment now. How are you feeling?
Better than yesterday, but still weak. My stomach was cramping badly, and I felt very dizzy. They're giving me fluids through and for.
So how are you feeling now? Have the symptoms improved since yesterday?
The doctor said I'm responding well to the medicine. The vomiting has stopped, which is a big relief.
That's good to hear. You look much better than I expected. Your face has more color now.
Thanks. I do feel better. But I still get tired very easily. The worst part was the high fever last night.
Staying in the hospital must be quite boring. Would you like to take a short walk around the corridor with me?
That sounds really nice, actually. I've been looking at these same walls for too long. Some movement would be good.
Let me help you get up. We can walk slowly. The nurse said light activity is good for recovery.
Thanks. I appreciate it. Let's just walk to the end of the hallway and back. I don't want to do too much on my first day up.
What about your work? Are there any urgent projects that will be affected by your absence?
I was worried about the monthly report, but I called my manager this morning. He told me not to worry and that the team will cover for me.
That's good to hear. Your health should come first. Work can always wait until you're better.
I know, but I still feel bad about causing inconvenience. The report was supposed to be finished by this Friday.
Actually, everyone at the office sends their warm regards. They're all thinking of you and wishing you a speedy recovery.
That's so kind of them. Please thank everyone for me. Tell them I'll be back to work as soon as I can.
I definitely will. The whole team signed a get well card for you. I left it with the nurse at the station.
Thank you. That really means a lot to me. It's nice to know people care when you're not feeling well.
I have to say, you really should be more careful with food storage. Eating 5-day-old leftovers is quite risky.
I know. It was really careless of me. I was trying to save time and money by not throwing it away.
But your health is much more valuable than saving a little money. Food safety is really important.
You're absolutely right. I've learned my lesson the hard way. No more old leftovers for me from now on.
Remember when we were younger? You could eat anything and never get sick from it.
Those days are definitely gone. My stomach isn't as strong as it used to be. Age is catching up with me.
We're not that old yet, but our bodies do change over time. We need to be more mindful about what we eat.
That's true. I can't handle street food like I used to either. My digestion just isn't what it was in my 20s.
This situation reminds me of that time in college when you got sick after eating at the street food festival.
Oh, please don't remind me of that. I spent the entire night in the bathroom, but that was different. The food was fresh. I just couldn't handle the spiciness.
You turned as red as a tomato that day, but you were back to eating spicy food the very next week.
Well, what can I say? I'm a slow learner when it comes to food. Some habits are just really hard to break.
At least you've always been optimistic about food. Even after getting sick, you never lost your appetite for very long.
That's true. Food is one of life's great pleasures. I just need to be much smarter about food safety from now on.
Definitely. Maybe this experience will make you more cautious in the kitchen when preparing meals.
It definitely will. I'm already thinking about throwing out everything in my fridge when I get back home.
Did the doctor give you any advice about what to eat during your recovery?
Yes, they recommended eating bland foods for the first few days. Plain rice, boiled chicken, and bananas are good choices.
That sounds sensible. Your digestive system needs time to heal. What about drinks?
They said to drink plenty of water and electrolyte drinks. I need to avoid coffee and dairy products for now.
When you feel better, you should eat more probiotics. Yogurt would be good for your stomach health.
That's a good suggestion. I'll add it to my shopping list for when I leave the hospital.
Remember to eat smaller meals more often. It's easier for your stomach than 3 big meals.
I will. The doctor said the same thing. Small amounts every few hours until I'm completely better.
Is there anything you need help with while you're in the hospital? Anything from your home?
Actually, there is one thing I'm concerned about. My cat, Mimi. I usually feed her 2 times a day.
Don't worry about Mimi. I can go to your place and feed her. Just tell me where you keep the cat food.
Thank you so much. The cat food is in the cabinet above the refrigerator. Her water bowl needs fresh water every day.
No problem at all. I'll take care of everything. Do you want me to check your mail too?
That would be wonderful. And could you water my plants? I have a few small pots on the balcony.
Of course, I'll do that. I'll make sure everything is okay until you come home.
I really appreciate your help. It's one less thing to worry about while I'm getting better.
What are you most excited about when you leave the hospital?
Going back to work, actually. I never thought I'd say this, but I miss the office and my normal routine.
That's a positive attitude. But don't return too quickly. Make sure you're fully recovered first.
I know. The doctor said I need at least 3 more days of rest after I go home.
Any plans for after you're completely better? Besides returning to work, I mean.
I'm considering taking cooking classes. I need to learn how to make safe and healthy meals for myself.
That's a great idea. Maybe I'll join you. We could learn together.
That would be enjoyable. We could make it our weekend activity once I'm back to normal health.
Remember to follow the doctor's instructions carefully. Rest is very important for your recovery.
I will. They gave me a detailed schedule for my medicine and follow-up appointments.
Make sure you take all the prescribed medication, even if you start feeling better.
Don't worry. I've set reminders on my phone for each dose. I'm taking this very seriously.
And don't try to do too much too soon. Your body needs time to heal properly.
I promise I'll take it easy. No difficult activities until the doctor says it's okay.
Good. Call me if you need anything at all, even if you just want to talk.
Thanks, I will. It's comforting to know I have friends who care about me.
I should let you rest now. You need to save your energy for getting better.
Thanks for visiting me. It really made me feel better to have company.
Get well soon. Everyone at work is thinking about you.
Please thank everyone for me. I'll be back before they know it.
Don't worry about work or your cat. Everything is under control. Just focus on getting better.
I will. Thanks for everything. I'll see you soon.
See you. I'll call you tomorrow to check on you. Rest well.
Goodbye. Please drive carefully on your way home.